taki sukces, jak odnosi TME, zarówno na rynku polskim, jak i globalnym, myślę, że jest najlepszym przykładem na to, z czego można się cieszyć. No i cieszę się bardzo, że tak wspaniali goście, tym razem z Tajwanu, już za chwilę będą mieli okazję przejść i zobaczyć prawdopodobnie najnowocześniejsze centrum logistyczne w branży komponentów elektronicznych na całym świecie.
When we first visited, it was empty. So this is the first time to see everything operating, to see the robots operating.
Interesting to see the evolution of it and how the investment in improving the processes and taking to the processes to the next level.
So much is happening in here. I've seen a lot of warehousing, automation, nothing quite like this yet.
I didn't realize TME was as large as it is. I've seen a lot of warehouses, especially the expansions, but the scope of yours and the fact that so much was done internally by internal management, internal engineering, I think is most impressive.
The length of time of process from receipt of order to product leaving the facility, to get that round the whole facility in 24 hours and out the door is very impressive.
At the end of the arm, there is a yellow suction, thanks to which he's able to lift a bag and rotate. That was the machine that put the lid on the top, folded the box, and that's the ready label for the expeditor.
Highest level of automation I've seen in a distribution warehouse. I'm very impressed with the robotics and very impressed with the operation overall.
Still in the same area, you have lots of space for improvement, for increasing efficiency. And,
Who knows what future brings?
yeah. To be honest, I've never visited any warehouse which is so much automated, so much digitalized. Yeah. So my feeling is that the future is here. Yeah.
Process of checking and examining and getting the right product to the customer is vital. So that was really important. I can see the benefit of a saving to you, but as an end user, it's far more important that the product is delivered correctly.